Alright, it is spring in Ohio. Hit the like and subscribe button if this video helps you out. I have a couple of hoses out here that I need to get hooked up, and I bought this splitter so I don't have to keep flopping between the two for the projects that we're doing outside. So we're going to see how that works. It's got a rubber gasket in there. This is a Trazon. The link for it will be in the description of the video. Bought it on Amazon, of course. My goal is to just leave the main water on all the time, so I'm really getting this tight. Hose number 1. I'll put the link for these hoses in too, which are the best hoses I've ever had. I can't remember the name of them, but they do not split, and they have a 5-year warranty. And I still haven't had to use that because they're still in good shape. However, you have to unhook your hoses in the winter time. When I say unhook, I mean everything. I hate that on there. There you go. Take the sprayers nozzles off, unhook all this, because if any water gets in there, it will freeze and crack. And then these aluminum pieces sometimes seize up, which is not good. So I need to make sure all this stuff is tight. Also, these are these quick connects. I'll put those in the description too. That was a little loose. This is definitely loose on purpose. So now I'm going to turn my main on. The valve sound light throw already open. Now I'm just looking for anything that's leaking. I hear a bubble over here. This one looks good. Let's open them both up. So I got one leak there, one leak there, but nothing down here. I didn't realize the splitter came with some accessories, which are the gaskets. So I'm going to be able to put new gaskets in for the nozzles. I like these steel sprayers too. I'll put a link in the description for those also. They just seem to work better. Just gotta be careful so you don't drop them because they'll break. Too much pressure on here. Okay, that one's tight. I already did the first one, and that one's tight. No leaks, and I'm not putting any tools on these. I just hand tightened them. So we're good to go. Now I gotta check my front one, but that one's not going to be a video. Again, hit the like and subscribe button if this helped you out.